Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here, and we have another Calico River Rapids construction update. Now you can see there are tons of new yellow markers around the site, at least 12 to 15 that we could see, and these were all put in this morning, and by this morning I mean yesterday now. So this is pretty exciting stuff to see tons of new markers showing up all around. Now we were theorizing whether they could be placements for possible animatronics, but I'm not entirely sure because they are yellow, and I looked up what yellow markers mean, and that usually means it's a gaseous material or some gas piping. So that definitely is a possibility, but I don't really see that being what those are really there for, to be completely honest. All the trees have been planted next to Pony's turnaround, and also some new metal barriers have actually shown up in the past couple days, so that's really exciting news. But it is great to see a lot more work going into this ride lately, because we really want that opening date to be pushed up to June or even May, because that would be awesome to get on it even earlier. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you have not for more and more updates like Tidal Twister at SeaWorld, Calico River Rapids at Knott's, and West Coast Racers at Six Flags Magic Mountain. But until next time, we'll see you on the next ride.